The CE-EOC16 is a 16-channel Ethernet-over-Coax receiver and transmission kit designed to upgrade existing coax installations to IP without replacing cabling. It transmits both Ethernet data and power over a single coaxial cable, making it ideal for retrofit applications where running new network cable would be difficult, time-consuming, or costly. The system supports long-distance Ethernet transmission while utilizing existing RJ45 or RJ6 coaxial cable infrastructure. Depending on bandwidth settings, transmission distances can reach up to 820 feet at 100 megabits per second or 2,290 feet at 10 megabits per second, all while supporting full duplex communication. Now, since standard Ethernet cable runs are typically limited to 328 feet, the CE-EOC16 helps eliminate the need for additional network switches or repeaters on longer runs. A built-in bandwidth switch allows installers to optimize transmission performance based on cable distance and application requirements. Each channel can supply PoE power directly to compatible IP cameras, delivering up to 30 watts per channel, with a total power budget of 300 watts, all without requiring separate power cabling. The system is powered by standard AC 110 voltage and features built-in RJ45 uplink ports and SFP fiber connectivity for flexible integration into larger network infrastructures. Designed for reliable operation in real-world environments, the CE-EOC16 features built-in surge protection, auto-diagnostic power monitoring, multicast support, and plug-and-play installation with no pairing required. Front panel LED indicators and an LCD display provide live status, current, and power consumption monitoring per channel, helping installers quickly verify system operation and power status. Its rack-mountable design makes it ideal for security rooms, IDF closets, and centralized equipment racks. The result is a powerful, cost-effective solution for converting existing coax infrastructure into a scalable, long-distance IP video and network system.